Let's look at this question. It's a very easy one. Let ABCDEF be a regular hexagon with each side of length 1 centimeter. Then the value of length of BE upon length BC is. Okay, because you are asked the ratio, it does not matter. It does not matter whether you take your side as 1 or 2 or 3, right? So you are given A, B, C, D, E, F. This is a regular hexagon with side 1. Now you are required to find the ratio of length of PE. So you connect this and length of BC, this side and this side. Can you see, if we connect all these longer diagonals, if we connect all these long diagonals of a regular hexagon, they pass from this point, that is the center of this hexagon. And this center, when I connect all the vertices, to this center, this hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. Right? So if this side is A, this would be A, this would be A, because these are equilateral triangles. If this is A, this would be A, this would be A, right? So this BE, this length of BE would be 2 times A, right? And BC is your side only. It would be A. So length of BC would be A. Now I need to find the ratio, right? That's why I said in the beginning that it does not matter if you have the side length or not, because anyway, it get cancelled and you get this ratio as 2:1, or the value of this ratio would be 2. Option C is the correct answer.